Hey drivers, if you've ever wondered what it's really like to drive for Uber in a big city, you're in the right place. Last week, I challenged myself to make $1,200 driving Uber full-time in Washington, D.C., one of the busiest, most dynamic cities in the country. I set a goal, 40 hours, just like a regular job, but with the flexibility that only rideshare driving can offer. D.C. is always buzzing with traffic, tourists, and locals on the move. So I wanted to see just how much I could earn in a single week. I mapped out my week in advance, targeting high-demand times, busy neighborhoods, and special events to maximize my earnings. My car became my mobile office, and every ride brought a new story, a new face, and sometimes a new challenge. I met tourists seeing the sights, locals heading to work, and people from all walks of life, each with their own destination and story. It wasn't just about driving from point A to B, it was about having a strategy, adapting to the city's rhythm, and making smart choices. I focused on rush hours, weekends, and event hotspots, where demand and fares spike, and where the real money is made. Coffee and playlists kept me energized during long shifts, helping me stay alert and positive behind the wheel. By week's end, I checked the app, over $1,200 earned. It was a great feeling to see all that hard work add up. Hard work, careful planning, and a willingness to hustle really paid off for me. This experience showed me that with the right approach and mindset, making good money with Uber in DC is absolutely possible. It's not just about luck. It's about knowing the city, understanding the patterns, and working smart every single day. I'll break down my earnings, expenses, and strategies so you can see what it's really like to drive for Uber and what you need to watch out for. Can you make good money driving Uber? My answer, yes. If you have a plan, stay disciplined, and keep learning. But it's not as simple as just turning on the app and waiting for rides to come in. You need to know your market, manage your time wisely, track your costs, and always be ready to adapt. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can decide if this hustle is right for you. Let's dive into the details and see what it really takes to succeed as an Uber driver in DC. Here's what I learned along the way. Let's get to the numbers. I want to give you a transparent look at exactly what I made, what I spent, and what I actually took home after a week of driving. In 40 hours, I grossed $1,214.50 with Uber. That's my total before any expenses, just the raw amount that hit my account for the week. That's about $30.36 per hour, pretty solid for gig work, especially when you compare it to other flexible jobs out there. My earnings came from fares, $982, promotions, $110, surge pricing, and tips, $122.50. Each part played a role in boosting my total, and those bonuses really add up. Good service really boosted my tips. Small gestures like offering water or a friendly conversation can make a big difference in what you take home. But expenses matter, no one talks about them enough. I spent $140 on gas, $40 for future maintenance, and $20 on snacks, totaling $200. These are real costs you can't ignore. After expenses, my take-home pay was $1,014.50. That's the real number that matters at the end of the week. That's what actually went in my pocket. It's the money I can use for bills, savings, or anything else. Managing costs is key. Track every dollar. If you don't, you'll be surprised how quickly expenses eat into your profits. It's not just about gross earnings, net profit is what counts. That's the number that shows if your hustle is really paying off. If you're smart and dedicated, you can earn a solid living. It takes planning, but it's possible to make this work for you. Treat it like a business, not just a side hustle. The more professional you are, the better your results will be. Know your numbers and you'll see real results. Tracking everything helps you spot trends and improve your earnings over time. This is how you turn rideshare driving into a profitable gig. It's all about being intentional and staying on top of your finances. Let's talk about what it's really like on the road and how you can make the most of every shift. Driving in DC is a wild ride, full of surprises around every corner. The city's energy is contagious, but so is the chaos on the roads. There's always demand. Government workers, students, and tourists fill the streets at all hours, making sure there's never a dull moment behind the wheel. Hotspots like DuPont Circle, U Street, and Adams Morgan keep you busy, especially at night when the city truly comes alive with music, food, and crowds. But traffic is brutal, especially during rush hour. Expect bumper-to-bumper jams and long waits at intersections. One-way streets, endless traffic circles, and sudden road closures can slow you down and test your patience. Patience and confidence are a must. Staying calm helps you handle the unexpected. Avoid slow midday hours. Take a break, recharge, and save your energy for the busy times ahead. Early mornings and evenings are prime time when commuters and night owls alike need rides. Weekends, especially Friday and Saturday nights, are gold mines for rideshare drivers looking to maximize earnings. Watch for big events, concerts, games, conventions. These mean surge pricing, heavy demand, and back-to-back rides. Check local event calendars to plan your shifts and get ahead of the competition. Knowing the city's pulse is your secret weapon. Anticipate where the action is before it happens. Maximize busy times, avoid dead zones, and always keep an eye on where the crowds are moving. Stay flexible and adapt to the city's rhythm. No 2 days are ever the same. That's how you beat the traffic, boost your earnings, and make the most of every shift in DC. Earning $1,200 in a week took strategy, not luck. I drove only during peak hours, rush hours, and weekend nights. I positioned myself in high-demand areas, not just anywhere. I started near neighborhoods in the morning, downtown in the evening, and nightlife spots on weekends. The Uber demand map helped me target busy zones. Customer service mattered. Clean car, phone charger, friendly attitude, and helpfulness all led to bigger tips. I watched for Uber's promotions and planned my week around them. Those bonuses made a real difference. Combining smart timing, location, service, and promotions created a winning formula. Don't just drive with a plan. That's how you maximize your income. Let's move on to tips for new and current drivers. Thinking about driving for Uber in DC? Here's my advice. Learn the city's layout. Know the main neighborhoods and roads. Use GPS, but have a mental map for when tech fails. Drive a fuel-efficient car to keep costs down. Keep your car spotless. It's about professionalism and tips. Stay patient. Traffic and slow periods happen. Use downtime to rest or plan your next move. Track your hours, mileage, and every expense. This helps with taxes and shows your real profit. Treat driving like a business, not a hobby. Organization and attitude make all the difference. Now, let's talk about setting realistic goals. My $1,200 week was great, but not every week will be like that. Earnings depend on season, events, your car, and your strategy. New drivers might start at $20, $25 per hour before expenses. That's $800, $1,000 a week for full-time hours. As you learn the city and improve your strategy, your earnings can grow. Part-time drivers can do well by working only peak hours. Flexibility is your advantage. Work when demand is highest. Your income depends on your effort and planning. Random driving leads to random results. Set clear goals, track your progress, and focus on service. Start realistic, then aim higher as you gain experience. The opportunity is there if you work smart. After a week of focused driving, here's my verdict. Uber in DC is worth it if you treat it like a business. The job has challenges, traffic, slow times, and the need for discipline. But the freedom and flexibility are huge perks. You control your schedule, work when you want. Perfect for students, parents, or anyone needing flexibility. Success comes from knowing your city, driving peak hours, and providing great service. Track your earnings and expenses to know your real profit. With the right mindset and strategy, you can hit your goals and enjoy being your own boss. The city's waiting. Give it a try, and good luck out there.